Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Suyan, and as you guys know, you guys are now watching Life with a YDK. So today we're going to be talking about a topic that is very important in our lives that we need to start applying to our daily lifestyle. So that will be the savings. And now I'm going to share it with you guys a couple of usable habits that I have applied in my life and that has helped me for the longest time. And I now want to share it with you guys to see how you guys will apply it in your lives as well. I know a lot of us does get minimum wage as a salary per month, and we struggle to not only pay our bills, but to also have a good savings account on the side where we do still have fun during the month. And today I'm going to show you guys what I have used that has gotten me through this, and I hope this will help you guys as well. So to start a savings account, you need to have self-discipline. If you do not have self-discipline, you cannot be consistent. And consistency is key to reach those goals that you are setting for yourself so you can have that pension fund for the future. Or you can reach that savings goal to buy your car, your house, or anything that you have in mind that you want to be saving for. So have that self-discipline, nurture that in yourself. Start by maybe have the self-discipline for something small, something that you have to achieve every week, and then build it up to every month, and then build it up to yearly, and then you will have it for long period of time. But it's something that you can nurture and start nurturing it now. So we're going to be talking about habit number 2, and that would be to have a separate savings account. A lot of people have savings accounts, but they are maybe linked to the same card that is on their current account. And that is something that is very dangerous because unconsciously, you're going to be start using your savings even though you don't want to do it. But it's something very easily to do because it's very easy to obtain because it's so close by to your current account. And I'm gonna ask you guys one simple question, and I want you guys to answer in the comment down below. How many times have you just checked out 100 or 200 bucks out of your account and you told yourself, at the end of the month, I'm gonna put it back. No problem, easy peasy. But then when it comes to the end of the month, something comes up, you use that money and it doesn't go back in that savings account. How many times had that happened to you? I mean, I'm guilty of that too, so no worries. I'm not going to be the saving angel and saying that it didn't happen, but it happened to me. So I want to know, has it happened to you as well? Comment down below. So to avoid these type of mistakes, you have to have a separate savings account and one that you might not have even the card for it. So you know that you have to go to the bank to get to that money. If you do have a card, leave this card at home. Do not add it to your Apple Pay because trust me, that is also a smart way to just keep on using that card. Just have it at home if you really need to have a card, but do not add it to your current account. Keep them separately. And also another reason why you have to keep it separately is because you can keep tabs on where your spendings are going and how your savings are coming in and where they're coming from. Because having your savings account separately from your current account, you can see on your current account how many times you're spending, where your money is going, what you're spending your money on. And on your savings, you can see how many money you're sending into your savings account, on which dates, and how many times per month you're actually saving. So we're going to be talking about habit number 3, and that is to set your saving goals. I know that a lot of us might get discouraged when we have a goal that is so far away, that is for 5 years. But start off with some weekly goals, some monthly goals. And sure, if you're starting off right now, weekly and monthly goals are the best thing that you can do. Set the goals and then just try for them, try to achieve those, and then you can build up to quarterly goals, yearly goals, or to 5-year goals. But start off small and set a reward for yourself. I don't mean that you have to spend all that money that you have saved, but set some small rewards that you can give yourself, that you can appraise yourself that you have made it, that you did this. It's just a way to thank yourself for the future. I know a lot of accounts in the Netherlands, you can set some saving goals in the app as well from your card. So I'm going to show this on screen with you guys how you do this. I don't know if all the accounts do this. I know that ING has this and also that the Rabobank has this. Maybe some more, but I'm going to show you guys how those banks work, and then you can see if that can be applied to you. And if you cannot apply this, I have all of these apps that you can use, that you can hold yourself accountable for, and also try to keep track of your goals. So guys, you start off by going to the service section of your bank account on your phone, and there will be a section where you can start off with a savings goal. When you go through that, you can give the saving goal a name, as well as give it a amount of price, the date you want to achieve the goal, and a picture. When you set those goals and you finish making that particular goal, you can go inside of your account and you can see how many days you have left to achieve that goal and how far along you are. Now, habit number 4, that is to have a budgeting worksheet. So I have a budget worksheet that I have been using for the longest time, and it has helped me so good. It keeps track of how my spendings are as well. I put everything in it, and my savings, I also put what I subtract from my savings accounts, what I put in, and I put a budget for how much I want to spend for everything. So I can look at the end of the month if I have kept myself to this or not. So I'm going to be sharing this with you guys. It's in the description bar down below, the link that you can download it for free. I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and I'm going to explain how I use it and see if you guys want to use it as well. So just go ahead. So here we have the budgeting worksheet. So we start off by filling in your first salary, your second salary, and other incomes that you have. This is the part where you can fill in your budget that you want to keep on tab on for the month, and you fill it however it would fit the best for your salary for that particular month. When you are done filling it over here, you go and fill in your actual how much you have spent for the month, and this will calculate for the whole month as well as the whole year how much you have been spending. And you can see if you are in deficit or if you are still on a positive and you have some more money to either save or spend for that month. And at the end of the year, you can see how much it has cost for a year for everything that you have spent your money on for that year. And in this worksheet, you can also go to your savings account. Your savings account will be the part where you can put in how much money you will be sending from each salary into the savings account, and then you can split your savings account into the particular island it is. And I have also a subtract part where you can put in the subtracted amount that you have gotten off of your account with the reason why you subtracted it and the date. So habit number 5 is to start using your pennies and coins. So you might ask why, but here in the Netherlands, and I know a couple of other countries has that as well, you can actually swipe for as low as 10 cents, I think, but it's really low. So if you just keep on swiping every time, okay, I'm gonna swipe this €1, it's not that much. I'm gonna swipe that 50 cents. I'm gonna swipe that 75, 125, 225. it adds up. I mean, if you guys have seen the TikToks from nowadays where some small prices and then it adds up and it comes to 200 and something or more, that is the same with this process. If you keep on swiping every time, that $1, that $2, that 50 cents, it adds up to a big amount. So what I would suggest is to start keeping yourself accountable for this by start paying with coins. At the beginning of the month, you subtract 50 euros or $50 out of your account. You just exchange them at the gas station fully in coins and keep that wallet with you at all costs. If you want to buy something like a croissant, a Coke, some candy, anything that is below 5 euros or $5, just pay with those coins. And then if you're at the end of the month and that wallet is still full or it's half full, you know that you are doing something good and you're not spending that much on knickknacks. But if you see that at the end of the month that wallet is empty and had been empty for more than a week or two, you need to start reevaluating where you're spending your money and if it is worth it. And habit number 6, and that would be to do not do this alone. I know that money talks is something that we all hate doing. Most of all, just avoid that talk at all costs, but we need to start breaking those barriers and start talking about it. I mean, you can learn so much from people. Like, my saving style is totally different than someone else's saving style. And if I would not talk about it, I would not be learning anything from that person. And that's the same thing that you would have to do. Start by talking with someone. And if you want to do this challenge with someone, do it with someone, because keeping yourself accountable, keeping that person accountable, and vice versa, makes you guys reach your goals together. If you can gain an agreement that you guys keep tabs on each other every week, every 2 weeks, or every month, just to see how it's going. If you're falling off the rail, you call that person and you tell them, like, hey, I'm falling off the rail. Can you give me some advice? It keeps you accountable for this and it will help you on the long run. So do not do this alone. I know that if you just ask someone, you gotta know, but you can get the yes. So just ask. Just ask. So guys, these were my habits that I have applied in my life for a long time ago, and that has helped me create a good savings account. That has helped me go through this pandemic as well. So I hope you guys can start using these habits, apply it to your lifestyle, and also get some beneficials out of it. So I hope I got those inner saving gods out of you and sparked some interest that you guys will start up as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. So share this video with other people that you think might be needing this, might have to watch this to start their goals as well for their savings account. And I hope you guys subscribe. Next week we'll be talking about things you need to know before you move to the Netherlands, because I know some of you might want to move here and there are a couple of things you need to keep in mind before making that big step. So I will see you guys on to the next one, and bye.